thank y'all for getting to this video. I just want to shoot this quick little video just to show you what $20 can do for you. Haha, 20 bucks, guys. If you don't have 20 bucks, please get off this video. I don't want to waste your time or my time. But if you do have $20 and you do have an open mind, I can get you paid. We're gonna actually, with this $20, we're gonna actually help you start a business. You're gonna get a business with this $20. And not only you're gonna start a business with this $20, you're gonna be able to fix your credit with this $20. Not alone fix your credit, you're gonna get the financial education that you need to withstand generating a couple of $1,000s every week, people. And 20 bucks. And the only thing you need to do is just find two people that is willing, that is hungry, that want just to spend $20 just to make some money and get up out that situation that you're already in. People, I've been doing online marketing for 3 years now, and when I see something, I jumps in and I go all in. So if you want to make a couple of thousands of dollars every week, people, every week, just from a $20 to start your business. Guys, get in, take action, check the link below. The information is free, no obligations. But you know what I'm saying, if you find this is a scam, you think this is a scam, please don't do it. But if you willing and got the balls to really to change your life and to start making some real money on a weekly basis, click the link below, check it out. It's free, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.